Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the phone off to prevent short circuits. Then remove the case, SIM tray, and SD card so you can access ports. Look into the USB-C port with good light. If you see debris or greenish corrosion, clean gently. Use a soft lint-free cloth and 2-3 minutes of gentle air. Do not blow hard. Once done, wait while you inspect the moisture indicator. This prevents false positives and helps you decide whether to proceed with deeper drying. Now you clean and dry carefully. If corrosion persists, dip a soft brush in 90% plus isopropyl alcohol and stroke the contacts lightly. Alcohol displaces moisture and evaporates fast. After wiping, position the phone face down on an absorbent cloth at about 45 degrees so gravity helps clear liquid from the port. Let it sit undisturbed for 2 to 4 hours. Avoid rice, hair dryers, or heat guns because heat can damage seals and once the drying period is complete, power the phone on and plug in the original cable. Do this gently and watch for the moisture warning. If it clears, run the Samsung Members Diagnostics app to confirm sensor status and reset network settings to eliminate software flags. If the warning persists, try a backup original charger, and if nothing changes, seek professional service. Technicians can replace the USB-C assembly or clean internal traces. Troubleshooting tip: if moisture detection remains, do not force charge. That risks corrosion and further damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.